How to delete conversation in Discord. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Discord, and once you do that, let's navigate to a random conversation so we can delete it. Say, for example, this one right here. Now, once you are on the conversation, click on the people or persons icon at the top right corner. And from there, click on the three dots at the top right corner again. And from here, click on close DM. As soon as you do that, you will see that the conversation has been removed or deleted. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove and delete chats on Discord. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.